everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to download the Qantas application on your Android device. If you want to get the Qantas application on your Android device, then the process is quite easy. First, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and once it's done, open up your Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Qantas and search. Once you find this application from Qantas Airways Limited, tap on the install button to begin the download process. With the Qantas mobile application, you can easily search for and book flights, both domestic and international. You can check in for your flights, select seats, and access your boarding passes electronically. You can check your flight schedules, status, manage bookings, airport information, and much more. Once the application is downloaded and installed, tap on the open button to open the app on your Android device. So that's how you can easily download Qantas application for your Android. You can now join into a free account or simply log into an existing account according to your preference. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.